Hi everyone, it's Stuart Mellody here. We are talking investors in a continuation of the series that we've been running on how you can de-risk your projects for your own business, but also how attractive that is to potential investors. And I want to continue to share with you another key element, which is around micro and macroeconomics. To me and you, in simple terms, it's the drivers to the market, the drivers to the economy. Understanding that. Why should you care about that? For two reasons. One is that for your own business, you want to be able to understand who's buying from you, who's renting from you, their affordability, the sustainability of that particular market. If you are working within let's say, a professional clientele, or you're working with a LHA tenant, both of those have huge drivers, and depending on where you focus in on an area or a niche, understanding what drives that microeconomy is very important, as you will then understand what your exits are in a project, how to maximize the potential, what audience you serve. And your investors will want to know this as well. They'll want to be able to understand what your exits are should the economy change. What are those factors driving your local area that will allow you to go from maybe let's say a professional tenant, working tenant, to potentially an LHA tenant, or what allows you to continue to operate if you're in sales. The help to buy scheme, when does that change and what's going to change it? And then we start getting on to macroeconomics of what are the big decisions being made that's driving the economy, whether it's the way the interest rates are running or working, it's the way planning decisions are being made. Understanding the bigger impacts and how it impacts on those that are buying or renting from you, and the way that the projects and the properties are being marketed will help you in your business get clarity on where the risk lies and where the opportunity lies as well. And for your investor, they love to know that. They want to know that so that they can understand that your view of this, your knowledge, your experience, your expertise, and your foresight in understanding that allows them to have comfort that you are effectively de-risking their investment for them. Lots of people talk about the uncertainty in the market at the minute, whether it's Brexit or the interest rates. In my view, I would consider not focusing just on how you can manage the interest rate. Will it change? I think for me, in my experience, it's been having a model that allows for that to happen. And in allowing that to happen, you have exits at different levels so that you know what to do if anything changes. Setting up your finances and your system and the way that your business operates, given that changes may happen in the market. That's something that I would recommend that you get used to, get comfortable with. You assess your deals, taking into consideration that you need to be flexible, understanding how the market works. These are all key elements that will help you stand out over and above those up in the room that are also speaking to maybe the same investors. These little elements that we've been sharing over the last, I think, 6-7 weeks, added together, they increase your security in your business because they de-risk you in your business, but they also make it more attractive to investors. I'm going to be sharing lots and lots more content as it happens with people that we're working with, from individuals raising a few $100K all the way up to those we're working with helping build multi-million-pound funds. The information from that, I'm sharing with you guys. It may be something that you'll find valuable in building your business as you go forward. For me, I'm passionate about you guys understanding how to get the investors, how to raise money, because I think that money is fundamental to your property business, and lots of people leave it till after, and that's, to me, is plain mental. So let's focus in on how you get liquid in any market, and I'll be sharing more of that as we go through the coming weeks. There'll be a link here about the Facebook group that we run. If you want to get involved, come over, ask some questions, and share your successes and challenges, and it'll be an absolute pleasure to help us wherever possible. Enjoy, have fun, and keep us posted how you're getting on.